What we've done here is we've come up with a way to make 3D printed objects, just plastic objects, communicate wirelessly. It doesn't need any batteries, doesn't have any electronics, and we can get important information about its use. Here what we have is we have this prosthetic hand. As they rotate their wrist joint, the fingers of the hand close. As this gear turns in either direction, we actually have two antennas, one on each side, and then there's this switch contact. When it touches the antenna, that changes how that antenna reflects energy. So the way this works is you have something like your Wi-Fi router that's transmitting a radio signal out into the air, and then you have our switch where as it opens and closes and basically touches the antenna or doesn't, it changes how that antenna is reflecting the signal from your Wi-Fi router. We can look at those reflections and decode a message that our 3D printed object is sending. We essentially have a pattern on these gears where we either subtract teeth or make them a little bit wider. And by doing that, you see a pattern of something that looks like ones and zeros. And this is what we can translate directly to digital data. It really does look something like Morse code. These objects can actually send their own message. The focus of this project was really to use this to get things like analytics about how an object is working. You can see whether someone is using it. So you can imagine this technology being used in all kinds of different objects where you have some kind of rotation or motion.